The Insta360 GO 3S is the latest version of their popular ultra-compact action camera. It was just released on June 13, 2024, so it's brand new. Here are some of the key features. 4K video. The biggest upgrade is the ability to shoot in 4K resolution, which offers much sharper footage compared to the previous model. 2.7K slow motion. Capture super smooth slow motion video at up to 2.7K resolution. Voice control 2.0. Control the camera with your voice for hands-free operation. Larger touchscreen. The new Action Pod features a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen for easier framing and controlling the camera. Improved battery life. The GO 3S boasts a longer battery life than its predecessor, lasting up to 2 hours. Dual microphones. Capture higher quality audio with the new dual microphones. Water resistant. The camera itself is waterproof up to 16 feet, and it's IPX for water resistant.